Well, good morning. Today I've just come down to a couple of the lakes that are right in the middle of the estate where I live. So I'm literally bang in the middle of the estate. But I wanted to try and show today what's about right in the middle. Despite all the people, everything going on, there's stuff everywhere. Well, I've just been stopped by somebody who saw me carrying the camera, obviously, and said, "Are you taking pictures of the birds?" I said, "Well, I'm going to try." I said, "There's sort of water rail last week on the lake. Well, actually around the edge of the lake where they live. Now, if that's true, that's quite something, actually." So that was quite good. What happened then was about 3 mute swans. You just see them sailing off into the distance. Sailing? Swimming? Paddling? I don't know. Whatever they do, they're going off into the distance. But I just had about 3 or 4 of them fly across the front of me. So it was literally a quick grab the camera and see if I can get some shots. I think I've got some. We'll see later when I get back, but that was quite nice. So I'm just going to have a walk now to the other lake, which is just over the road, and just see what's over there. There's quite a lot of people about here. Sunday morning, inevitably, but nevertheless, so much stuff here. I've seen a dunnock, seen blue tits, crows. I can hear a woodpecker somewhere. Whether you pick that up then. Hang on. Definitely heard a woodpecker as well. As I say, tufted ducks, coots, swans, gulls, black-headed gulls, little grebes, which I can't find now. Anyway, so all in all, just in this little inner, it's not really in a city, but inner estate lake, there's a lot going on. And it's absolutely fantastic. I love it. Well, I was coming up to the other lake now. This is a bit more secluded. It's still on the estate. It's more towards the edge, and it doesn't attract the amount of people. It's a fishing lake, really. But it's just lovely. There's some trees around here. It's not a wood. It's just a few trees, a little brook running through. I've seen kingfishers down here before now, so it's really nice. It's just so wonderful to be able to just come to a place like this, just literally a few minutes from my door. Absolutely fantastic. This is the lower lake, and as you can see, it's a lot smaller. It's basically a fishing lake, actually. But I don't know whether it gets fished in a great deal. As you can see, there's the usual mallards, black-headed gulls, usually a swan or two on here, but I can't see one at the moment. Oh, there it is, there's one over there by the reeds. What else have we got? Some coot. So there's plenty of birds, but not much about at the moment, so we'll have a look around and see what turns up. You never know. That's the beauty of this, really. I did notice, very sadly, one of the coots was appears to be picking at a plastic bag. Absolutely heartbreaking, really. I mean, this could be such a beautiful, well, it is a beautiful place, but the litter is horrendous. It's been a lovely morning. I've seen a few things, not a massive amount of different species, but enough. I mean, for me, I just love any sort of wildlife anyway. So, blackbird, Canada geese, a duck. It's all wildlife to me. I love it. Absolutely love every one of them. So, just seeing these for me is great. That's what I love about it. They're all living creatures, they're all wonderful. Photography wise, it's been okay. The light's been a bit flat except for that last few minutes there. It's quite cloudy and overcast today, which in some ways is good because it can give you a nice flat even light, but sometimes you want a bit of backlit or side light, something like that, just to make things a bit more dramatic. But generally it's been okay, it's been good.